Whose gun is that?
Mine.
Yours? What is it? What does it have? What do you got on it?
A grenade launcher, silencer, red dot.
Okay, and that's a WeTech, right?
Yeah.
Alright, rock on, man. See you inside.
Shut up. These three guys were terminated. They don't have to call out their hits. Just keep shooting them, and if they want to call out, they'll call out. Alright? Line them up. Yeah, just them three. Alright? Yeah, it's a regular game. If they hit, shoot you guys are out. But they can stay in as long as they want. Until they can't take it no more, alright? Easy, right? Alright, you got 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Ten feet rules apply to them. Okay? Game goes! You too.
Dude, where's the chrono machine?